Okay.
Going dirty for an amp.
You're not a bit?
I'm pretty recharged with guitars. Okay, Anthony, you stop.
Is that cranberry?
Are you cranberries?
I need to stop.
Really?
No, you didn't. I heard Noah play it.
He plays it different. He's just like this way, it's like, and then there's another one that he taught me. I don't know how to do
You guys are all musically challenged, except for Jimmy.
Listen. What'd you say?
Listen, bitch.
Give me a piano. I'll play the piano.
I need drums. I need drums. Need drums.
There used to be a drum set down here.
Why did you get...
I'm so sick of you.
Sick of me?
No, him. Ah, stop! Who are you?